Easy and fast 3D design with intelligent parametric objects. Autocut architecture's building elements are parametric objects. The parametric technology allows to insert and modify 3D complex objects such as walls, doors, stairs by simply specifying their parameters, for example length, width, window sill dimensions, handrails, and others. By double-clicking on an object, you can modify its properties, as you can see it with the window. Parametric objects can be selected and modified in the same mode and with the same commands as in AutoCAD. Parametric objects interact with each other in the intelligent way, so if for instance we modify the width of the window, the wall will be automatically adjusted to it. You can also select and modify several objects at a time using the AutoCAD-like properties. Selecting all the elements of a drawing in the Properties palette, you apply a filter, for example taking only the openings to modify them all together and saving a lot of time. AutoCAD architecture allows to create customized shapes of objects starting from polyline. For example, to create a new window type, it is enough to define a form by polyline and then choose the type of opening in the user library. After that, save the new customized shape in the user library to make it available for further uses. Take a look at a custom-shaped window created in this video. A 30-day full and free trial version of AutoCAD architecture is available at progisoft.com/en/architecture.